Right. Welcome to my class, everybody. My name is Ramesh. I have 14 plus years of experience as a web developer and a trainer. Okay, everybody. Right. So, as a part of this course, we are going to learn about JavaScript and jQuery. So, course duration will be 45 to 2 months only. Okay. Right. Maybe I will try to complete within 45 days only by taking some extra classes or anything. Okay, everyone. Right. So, daily class timings will be 9 to 10 p.m. only. Okay, yes, so I will give you recorded videos, okay, and example files with notes. I don't have any material, or else I don't have any PDF files. So example files, whatever I teach you, that example files I will give you, that contains practical and notes as well. Okay, everyone, is this point clear? Respond, everyone. Abhishek Gupta, Karthik Buntu.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So then after, yeah, Mahesh K. Okay, right. So don't get confused. I don't have any material, but whatever the example files is there, that definitely I will give it to you with contains notes. For example, if you observe there, this is the example, and here there is a notes. Okay, so this type of things I can give you so that you can see the practical things. Okay, and theory also, and whenever you execute, you can get that output as well. Okay, everybody, you can get that output as well. That is one thing. And whenever you change the code, okay, and you can see that related output also. We can, whenever you change the code, you can see that related output as well. Okay, everyone, right? So this is about my course introduction. Everything is clear at everybody. I will give you the recorded videos, okay, live recorded videos only, and I will give you the example files which contains notes as well. Okay, everybody, but I don't have any PDF files or anything. Okay, daily class timings will be 9 to 10 only. So duration will be 45 to 2 months. Okay, right. And I will discuss with you advanced concepts also. I will discuss with you advanced concepts also. Okay, everybody, right. Okay, right. Now I want to give you the notes. Sorry, now I want to start the class. Wait one second, everybody. So what is our course? JavaScript and jQuery. Okay, JavaScript and jQuery. So in the starting days, only introduction can be possible. Only introduction can be possible. What is JavaScript? Who developed the JavaScript? What is the purpose? These things only we are able to discuss. Now let me give you introduction about JavaScript. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a client-side scripting language developed by Brendan Eich. What is that, everybody? JavaScript is a client-side scripting language. What is that? JavaScript is a client-side scripting language developed by what? Brendan Eich only. Brendan Eich. He is the great programmer. He developed this JavaScript only. And what type of technology it is? Scripting language only. What is that, everybody? Scripting language. So, if you know, in the software industry, we have two types of languages. Okay, everyone, in the software industry, we have two types of languages. What are they? Scripting languages and programming languages. What is it, everyone? Scripting languages and programming languages only. So, as per your knowledge, respond. What are the difference between scripting languages and programming languages? What are the differences? So, somebody has some misconception also. By using scripting languages, we can develop very small scale applications. By using programming languages, we can develop very big scale applications like that. No, that is not the right perception. Okay, everybody. So scripting language also, programming language also. What is that? Scripting language also, programming language also. Any type of application, any scale of application, any scale of application we can develop. Any scale of application we can develop. Okay, everybody. Small scale application also, big scale application also. Okay, middle level application also, very huge application also we can develop. And to be frank, if anybody wants to develop any language, they will choose only the priority. That means that should be used for, okay, only desktop purpose, or else that should be used for web application purpose. Only that thing only they will choose. Okay, everyone. After that, okay, after that, everything is similar only. Okay, they will focus on the very big scale applications only. Big scale applications means what? which has huge amount of data. For example, Facebook is there. Is this small scale application or big scale application? Respond everyone. Small scale application or big scale application?
Big scale.
Very big scale one, okay. And if you remember, PHP was developed by, sorry, Facebook was developed by PHP. PHP is a server-side scripting language. And then after nowadays front end, they are using React.js also in some modules. So React.js is purely developed by JavaScript. JavaScript also client-side scripting only. So front end also scripting, back end also scripting. But still, Facebook is not hanging. It is working very fine also. Okay, everybody. So that's what I'm telling. So scripting language also, programming language also. Okay, everybody. They will just choose the priority only, whether it should be worked for only OS based or else web application based. Once they have finalized that priority, they have developed, they will develop only for big scale applications. They will develop only test for only big scale applications only. If they want to test language performance, they will write the database queries. Okay, everybody, and they will implement on the very huge amount of data only. They will implement on the very huge amount of data, crores and crores of data only, crores and crores of database. Okay, data will be there in a database. In that data only, in that with that database only, they will test their language performance. Okay, for example, if I want to develop any language, what I will do, I will create a data. I need to configure that language with a database only. Okay, for example, I'm telling you about server-side technologies. Okay, then what happens? There will be crores and crores of data. So how to manipulate that crores and crores of data? By using my technology. Okay, that only I will test. Clear it, everybody? Please respond. Hello?
Sir.
So yeah, what is the advantage? If that is worked with a huge amount of data, that can be always worked with small amount of data also. Small amount of data means small scale application only. Okay, everyone, right? This is about I want to discuss with you. Okay, right. Then what is the major differences between scripting languages and programming languages? So scripting language uses interpreters. What is it, everybody? Scripting language uses interpreters. Okay, and what is the other point? Interpreter. So why we need to use interpreters? Why we need to use interpreters? Okay, right. And the programming language uses compilers. Why we need to use these compilers? Why? Why? Because whatever the human reading, writing, speaking language are there, like Telugu, Hindi, Urdu, any language, okay, that cannot understand by the computer. Whatever human reads, whatever human writes, whatever human speaks, that cannot understand by the computer. Computer can understand only binary language. What is that, everybody? Computer can understand only binary language. That means computer can understand only 0 and 1. So binary language contains only two things, two alphabets. What is that? 0 and 1 only. So computer can understand only 0, 1. But okay, that means what we need to understand, whatever we know, that computer cannot understand. Whatever computer understands, that we cannot program. That we cannot program. For example, if you want to type there hello, we cannot write 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, something like that. We cannot program like that. So that's why what do you think we need to do? We need to arrange a translator. These translators are interpreters or compilers only. For example, you want to speak with a Japanese person. Okay, right? You want to speak with a Japanese person. What will you do? You don't know Japanese, and the Japanese person doesn't know Telugu or Hindi or Urdu. Then what is the thing you will do? You will arrange a translator. Okay, you will arrange a translator. For example, in MNC companies, so they don't accept only projects from the US or UK or India only. They will accept projects from Spanish also, French also. Okay, right? Any other language countries also they will accept. Understand it, everybody? They will accept any type of language speaking projects also. But whenever they are speaking with the clients, what they will do? They will arrange a translator in the meeting. Okay, in the same way here, whatever computer knows, we cannot program. Whatever we knows, that computer cannot understand. Then what is the thing we'll do? We'll arrange a translators. In computers, we need to call it as interpreters and compilers. Sir, you are telling interpreters and compilers. Is there any difference or both are same? No, there are clearly significant differences between interpreters and compilers. There are significant difference between interpreters and compilers. Then what is the difference between them? So interpreters will read, will convert our code line by line. Okay, we'll convert our code line by line, and they will display the errors also one by one only. They will display the errors also one by one. For example, we have written 20 lines of code. What is that? We have written 20 lines of code by using JavaScript. We have written 20 lines of code by using JavaScript. Okay, in the 20 lines, line number 2 there is a problem. Line number 4 there is a problem. Line number 6 there is a problem. But you did not identify that. But you have executed in the browser. Then what happens? First of all, it will read line number 1. Okay, no problem. It will execute. Line number 2, there is a problem. That's it. It does not go to the line number 3. It does not go to the line number 3. Understand, everybody? Whenever it finds error, it will stop the interpretation. Okay, and it will display the error with the line number. Okay, since it is displaying the line error with the line number, we need to go to that particular line number. After solving error in that particular line number, then only it will go to the line number 3. Okay, since there is no problem, it will go to the line number 4 also. Since there is a problem, what happens? It will stop the interpretation. After solving line number 4, then only it will go to the line number 5, and then after 6, since there is a problem, it will stop the interpretation. After solving line number 6 error, 7, 8, 9, like that, it will go one by one also. Okay, this is how interpreters will function. And how these compilers will function? It will read all 20 lines of code at once only, and whenever it is finding errors, it doesn't stop the interpretation. It doesn't stop the transpilation. All the errors it will gather, and in the last it will display all the errors at once. For example, line number 2, there is a problem. 4, there is a problem. 6, there is a problem. So all the 3 errors it will display at once. Previously, all the errors one by one. 2, after solving line number 2, then only line number 4. After solving line number 4, then only line number 6. Where in the interpreters, but compilers, all the errors at once only. Is this point clear? Respond, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what about others? Asif, Mahesh, Karthik, respond. Don't be silent. Unmute yourself and respond. Okay,
Yes, sir.
right. So this is the difference between script languages and programming languages. Any type of application we can develop either by scripting or programming only. Okay, right. This is about this. And then after, what is this? It is a client-side technology only. What is this, everybody? Client-side technology only. What is it, everyone? Client-side technology. So there are two different technologies in the software industry. What are they? Client-side technology and server-side technology. What is the difference between them? Respond, everyone. What is the difference between client-side technologies and server-side technology as per your knowledge? Respond, everybody.
Client in the sense we are the users, sir.
Okay.
And server in the sense if you are just searching something in Google or some other,
Okay.
it handles the request, sir. Client, whatever the request we are sending, as
Okay.
per our request, will display the information from its database server.
Okay, very good. Right, now I will tell my points also. Okay, everybody. Right, give me a second. So the major differences between, let me drink water, sorry. Right, the major differences between client-side technologies and server-side technologies are, by using client-side technologies, we cannot store our data. We cannot store our data permanently. By using client-side technologies, we cannot store our data permanently. We can store our data temporarily. So what are the client-side technologies we know? HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And to store temporarily, we must use only JavaScript. By using HTML, we can create a text box. By using CSS, we can style that. But after entering data we cannot store by using HTML and CSS. To store temporarily also, we need to use purely JavaScript. Is this point clear? Respond everyone. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right.
Yes, sir.
Then, sir, how to store by using JavaScript? Very simple, by using cookies, local storage, and session storage only. Any one of the three methods we need to follow, we need to store it. And by using cookies, okay, nowadays nobody using cookies. Okay, everybody using session storage and local storage only. Of course, whenever I am telling you the examples, I will tell you that cookies also local storage and session storage also. Okay, this is one thing. And the second thing is, okay, coming to server-side technologies. What is that? By using server-side technologies, we can store our data permanently. We can store our data permanently. Sir, how can you tell we can store our data permanently? Very simple. If you want to store your data permanently, we need to store that data in a database. So the technology, whatever you are using, that should have the capacity to connect with the database and to manipulate the database. Those technologies can be called as server-side technologies. Those technologies can be called as server-side technologies. What are the examples for server-side technologies? Java, because we are able to connect with the Oracle and other database also. PHP, we are able to connect with the MySQL and other database also. Node.js, we are able to connect with the MongoDB and other database also. Python, it has its own database also. Okay, like Oracle or SQL, something like that we are able to connect. So these technologies are server-side technologies or not? Respond everybody. PHP, Java, .NET, Node.js, server-side technologies or not? Respond everybody. Respond
Yes,
kindly.
sir.
Okay, why? Because we are able to connect with the database only. Okay, everybody. So the technologies, whatever you are using, if the technologies have the capacity to connect with the database and to manipulate the database, those technologies can be called as server-side technologies. The technologies which does not have the capacity to connect with the database and to manipulate the database, those technologies can be called as client-side technologies. What is it, everybody? Client-side technologies. Is this point clear or not? Respond, everybody. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So what are the advantages of storing our data in the database? Of course, ours is client side, but we need to have a little bit knowledge about database also. That is an extra advantage. Okay, of course, database is not part of the course, just knowledge purpose only in this class I want to discuss with you. So as per your knowledge, respond, what are the advantages of storing our data in the database? What are the advantages?
Sir, we can query our data, sir, from databases.
Okay, right. Other answers? Yeah, very good points. Right, good points, Suresh. Others?
Sir, we can store data a long period of time, sir.
Very good. That means permanent. Okay, any other points? Right, very good. One, data is permanent. That is very good point. Of course, that is true also. And second, he told one beautiful point. What is that Suresh told? What is that? We can query that. That means what? We are organizing our data. We are organizing our data. For example, if you are organizing very well, we can get faster performance. For example, okay, if we have clothes, right, everybody in a single family, everybody has different clothes. For example, your mother has saris, your father has shirts and pants. Of course, you also have that, and you have t-shirts and jeans also. Okay, everybody, right? So whenever you have clothes, we will wear it. Of course, after that we need to wash it. After washing our clothes, what is the thing we will do? We'll keep in the sunroof. Okay, everybody, why? To get it dry. After that, in the evening, what we will do? We'll collect that clothes. Okay, and we'll keep it in our sofa. After keeping in our sofa or chair, then what happens? Somebody, they will fold, they will organize very well. For example, they will fold, they will keep the saree separately. They will keep a pants and shirts separately. They will keep a t-shirts and jeans separately. But somebody, what they will do? They don't do anything. Just they will keep in the chair or sofa. Then what happens? After some time, if you want to go outside, okay, if you want to find a simple jeans and t-shirt also, you need to refer all the clothes. You need to refer all the clothes only. Then only you can go to the outside. But rather than that, if you organize very well, what happens? If you organize very well, what happens? You can go to your particular shelf. There you can find your t-shirt and jeans, and immediately can go outside also. So who is organizing well, they are getting ready faster. Who is not organizing well, they are getting ready slowly. Are you understanding or not? Respond everybody. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So in the same way, whenever you want to store your data in the database, of course, entire data we will keep in a single database also. How we can keep our data in the database? By dividing into table. Of course, in a single table also we can keep, but that is not correct thing. That is not correct thing. We need to divide our data into multiple tables. For example, user rated data we need to store in users table. How to store in the users table? We'll create this schema. User ID, first name, last name, email, password, gender, profile picture, languages known, subjects known, resume. Like that we'll keep in a different table. Okay. So in a table, users. In the users table, what I will store? Only users data. Okay. In the products table, what I will do? Only products data. Categories table, only categories data. Orders table, only orders data. Order details table, only order details data. Then what is the advantage? Whenever you want to utilize that in that particular page, simply we can retrieve the data only from that particular table only. So that whenever you are sending the request to the database server, it will send that request to that particular table only, and it will get the response from that particular table only. So that we'll get the response very faster. Okay, everybody. So this is the advantage of organizing our data. Understand it, everybody? Respond, everybody. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
this
sir.
is first thing. Okay, right. So one thing is data is permanent. Second thing is data is organizable. Okay, so that we can access our data faster. And what is the third advantage? Respond, everybody. What is the third advantage? What is the third advantage? It will add dynamic behavior for our data. What is it, everybody? Dynamic behavior for our data. For example, if you observe here, I have A1 page, A2 page, A3 page, A4 page. Like that, I have A100 pages also. In all 100 pages, I have different data also available. A1 page I have 10 paragraphs, A2 page I have 20 paragraphs, A3 13 paragraphs, A4 12 paragraphs, A5 A100, like that different paragraphs I have. But in all 100 paragraph, in all pages also, give me a second. In all 100 pages also, first 3 paragraphs are common. What is it, everybody? First 3 paragraphs are common. Understanding or not? Respond, everybody. Hello. Right. First
Yes,
three
sir.
paragraphs are common, and okay, and remaining paragraphs are different from page to page. Then what is the thing I will do? I will create two tables in the database. One is for common data table. One table is for common data. What is it, everybody? One page is for common. One table is for common data. Another is for individual data. Okay, right. So in the common table database, one common data table, what I will do? I will keep only the 3 paragraphs. And individually, what I will do? I will keep different paragraphs only. And I will open all 100 pages. In all 100 pages, I will write 2 queries. In a single page, I will write 2 queries. One query retrieving data from the common data table. Second query from the individual pages table, where page ID equal to 1, where page ID equal to 2, like that I will write. So in all 100 pages, I will write the 2 queries also. Of course, in first day, it will take a little bit long time. Okay, 2 hours time it will take. But in the next day, suddenly client told, I want to add one more paragraph in the common data table. Okay, I want to add one more paragraph also. Then what the thing I need to do? No need to open all 100 pages. Only we need to keep that paragraph only. Okay, only we need to keep that paragraph in the common data table only. Understanding or not? Respond, everybody. Hello.
Yes,
Okay, we
sir.
only need to keep that, okay, in that common data table only. Then what happens? in the front end, automatically it will be updated. Why? Because you are retrieving data, okay, from that data table only, common data table only. Since that data table is modified, automatically it will affect in the front end of front pages also. Clear or not? Respond everybody. Okay, from A1 to A100 pages, it will be reflected also. Understanding or not? Respond everybody. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that is the advantage. Okay, everybody, this is called dynamic behavior. So what is the meaning of dynamic behavior? If you manipulate in one place, if you manipulate in one place, if it is affecting other places also, if it is affecting other places also, that is called dynamic behavior only. That is called dynamic behavior only. So here you are manipulating one particular table, but it is affecting all 100 pages also. That is called dynamic behavior only. Okay, everybody, clear or not? Respond please. Okay, right.
Yes, sir.
And what is the other advantage? Everybody can see the same data. Everybody can see the same data. For example, Wikipedia is there. You have opened Wikipedia in India, and you are reading an article about Michael Jackson. Okay, right. Somebody opened Wikipedia from US. Somebody opened Wikipedia from US. Okay, he is also reading article from about Michael Jackson only. Both will see the same data or different data. Respond everybody. Both will see the same data or different data.
Same only.
Okay, same only. Why? Because that Wikipedia person storing the data in their database only. In that particular pages, they are displaying that particular data only. And if anybody updated, you can see the updated data also. Okay, everybody. So everybody can see the same data as well. Okay, this is other thing. And what is the other thing? What is the other advantage? No need to do the same work multiple times. Okay, what is that, everybody? No need to do the same work multiple times. You can observe here. No need to do the same work multiple times only. Okay, right. What is the meaning of this? For example, there is Myntra.com or Amazon.in. Amazon.in is there. So I want to purchase a product. So if you want to purchase a product, can you purchase the product directly? Respond everybody. If you want to purchase a product, can you purchase the product directly? Respond kindly. Don't be silent. Can
No,
you
sir.
purchase the okay? No. What is the thing you need to do? You must log in. So can you log in directly? No. You must register. What is that? You must register. Understanding that, everybody? You must register. Understanding that, everyone? Please respond. Don't be silent. Okay, right. You must register. So whenever you are registering, what happens? They will store your data in their database. They will store your data in their database. So what is the advantage? What the advantage is, whenever you want to purchase another product tomorrow, again they don't ask you to register. Simply they will ask you to log in only. Why? That they need to track your information. Why? Why? Because they need to know. For example, you have purchased a product today, you are not impressed with that product, then what is the thing you will do? You will return that. So whenever you are returning, they need to confirm what product you have purchased, what color you have purchased, what is the size you have purchased. Okay, and then after what date you have purchased. Somebody what they will do, they will order today. Okay, they will use for 2 years also. After 2 years they will try to return that. So if that application person they don't track your information, they need to accept your return also. They need to send you the new product, or else they need to return your money. So that's why they will track your information. What date you are purchasing, what color you are purchasing, what is the size, and everything they will track. Once that everything is matching, once their return policy is available, then only they will accept your return. So that's why they will track your information also. Not only that, they want to generate some business reports. Okay, that purpose also they need to track users information. So whatever it may be, that is a different topic. Just knowledge purpose I'm telling it. So once they store your data in the database, what happens? They don't ask you to register again and again. Once you have registered, that's it. That is enough. They don't ask you to register again and again also. For example, they store in the client side by using cookies or session storage. What happens? Whenever user closes the browser, or else whenever the user deletes the cookies, immediately we lose our data. So then what happens? Again we need to register. Understand everybody? So this is the advantage of storing our data in the database. Of course, ours is a client-side technology. We are not able to connect with the database. Is this point clear, right, everybody? Respond, please. Hello? Hello? Respond,
Yes,
everyone.
sir.
Okay? Right. So, okay, right. Now I want to discuss with you course content also. Okay, everybody, I want to display the course content also. Wait a second. I will display that. So, course content observer here. So observe this JavaScript, introduction of JavaScript. Now only we are discussing. Then after need of JavaScript in real websites, I will discuss that. Variables, operators, control statements, dialog boxes, user defined functions. That means an anonymous function. Okay, lambda expression. This is also I will discuss with you. DOM manipulations by using inner text and inner HTML also I will discuss with you. Then after event handling, I will discuss with you. Mouse over, mouse out, key up, key press, okay, key down, onload event, that is also I will discuss with you. Set interval, set timeout, clear timeout. Okay, then after validations, string methods, date methods. Okay, everything I will discuss with you. Wait 1 second, I think it is not updated. Wait a second, everyone. Yeah, see here. Yeah, see there, everyone. One more time explaining. Variables, operators, control statement, dialog boxes, alert to confirm prompt dialog boxes, user defined functions like naming functions, anonymous function, lambda expressions, DOM manipulations using inner text and inner HTML, event handling, mouse over, mouse out, mouse up, mouse down, double click, on click events also, key up, key press, key down events, cookies, local storage, session storage, onload event also I will discuss with you, set interval, clear interval, set timeout, clear timeout, inline, internal and external JavaScript, array methods, for each, while, do while methods, map, filter, reduce methods, call, apply and bind methods, promises, async and await methods, validations, string methods, date methods, everything I will discuss with you. In the same way, jQuery also. Okay, HTML text, inner text, inner HTML. Okay, then after key press, key up, everything, each and every event also I will discuss with you. Not only content here, I will show you the examples also here in my previous classes. Observe it, everybody. JavaScript examples. Observe here clearly. See it, everybody. JS, on double click, on mouse over, on mouse out. Okay. Then after keyboard events, copy value example. For example, observe there. I am typing here. Whenever you are typing, same data will be there. Okay, automatically comes in the other text box. For example, if you observe here, there is other text boxes. For example, text is there, tiger. Whenever you click on the copy, it will come here also. Understand it, everybody? Respond, please. Okay, right. And then after inner text, inner HTML, message counter, observe it. Whenever you are typing, automatically the count is decreasing here also. Okay, right. Conditional statements, switch statement, and then after, see it, everybody. Date methods, example 2, while method, do while, for loop, array, array with for loop. Okay, see here, everyone. For loop with conditional statements, for loop only there is 3 to 4 examples are there. Array method, sum of arrays, JSON objects, JS objects. Okay, then after for loop, objects only, different types of functions, for each method. Okay, everybody, map method, for each method, see it, 1, 2, 3 examples are there. Map method, 2 examples are there, 3 examples are there. Okay, then after set timeout, clear timeout, set interval, clear interval, promises, async and await, prototype. Understand, everybody, hosting, closure, Okay, everyone. Reduce method, array method, spread operator, rest operator, call operand bind methods, string method, session storage, local storage, cookies. Each and every content has example or not. Respond everybody. Whatever the content I am displaying here, each and every thing has example or not. Respond. Everyone,
Yes, sir.
don't be silent. Okay. And the same way jQuery also. Okay, everybody. jQuery also, for example, see here, everyone. jQuery. Okay, click event example ID, show hide example. See that whenever click on the hide, hiding slowly. Whenever you click on the show, showing slowly. Observe it. Width is increasing, height is increasing, brightness also increasing. Okay, everyone. Right. In the same way, toggle method. Then after slide up, slide toggle, slide down, slide toggle, fade in, fade out, fade toggle. Okay, observe here jQuery apply CSS, yard class, remove class, toggle class also, parent method, prev method, next method, each and everything, parent and next methods. Okay, then after accordion menu. Okay, everyone, right? Everything is having examples also. Clear or not? Respond, everyone. Please respond. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So that's it, everyone. Okay, so leave it like this. This is the class for today. Tomorrow class I will show you. I will tell you what are the advantages of JavaScript also, and we'll start the practical examples also. Okay, everyone. This is the class for today. Tomorrow will meet. We will continue. Okay. Bye, everyone. Thank you.